Hello everyone, this is host MJ Bautista, and today, nandito na naman tayo for another event which is located here sa Paco, Manila. So right now, we will be hosting Izo's first birthday, and right now we are here at 1588 Benitez Place Event Center. So we will proceed to our venue, and nakikita nyo, the theme is Pista ni Izo. So it's like a feast here in the Philippines. But before we enter, lagyan muna natin yung face mask. So ngayon nandito na tayo sa loob, and we are just waiting for Mommy, Daddy, and Izo. Yan. So we are about to start later, and as you can see, yung team talaga nila is Fiesta. And they also have this very cute souvenir. Yan. Nakalagay ay, salamat sa pagdalo, Ibarra Lorenzo Turns 1.
Anyway, thank you so much, Sir Jesney. Okay, sir, sa inyo kanina. Pili ko tinatanong niya kung ano yung sinabi niya sa akin. Alright? Sir, you can read your song? Ayan. Munti ko lang i-announce kung yung mga pasumpo si Ma'am Judy. Alright. Once again, alright? Sir, Elise?
Then is yung kung ano man yung journey na gusto mong marating. Once you grow up, nandito kami ni Papa mo to support you and to always be there for you whatever happens.
Alright, so we've just finished this event of Izo, and it's really amazing. Talagang everyone enjoyed the party, and right now we are still doing the after party, and we've got a drink. Ayan, of course, katabi natin yung mobile bar. Ayan, Lindy Mobile Bar. Very affordable yung price nila. And of course, I have Sir Nel, and papalit lang siya ng outfit. Thank you so much for watching this video. So we finally ended or finished the program for tonight, and so it is a successful event. And again, happy birthday, Izo. Thank you so much, Doc Kevin, and of course Ma'am Judy for choosing me to be your host, and of course my course, Sir Nel. Thank you, sir. Okay, ayan. And of course, we are here again sa my light nga yung ating 1588 Benitez Place Event Center. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we're gonna upload more events. So watch out.